I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're proud.
We are always focused on all types of heat pump products for industrial and residential applications, with a growing desire to improve people's lives and the quality of heat pumps. We are committed to providing lower energy consumption solutions to replace traditional heating, cooling, and hot water equipment while remaining environmentally friendly. OEM/ODM services are acceptable with full DC inverter heat pumps, water heater heat pumps, swimming pool heat pump, water ground source heat pumps series, pre- and post-sales throughout the day. Please contact us for the better services. What makes Zeekr a leading heat pump manufacturer? Car has been in heat pump business for 15 years. Located in Foshan, Guangdong, China, 5 large-scale heat pump production lines spread across 1 company workspaces, 5 flexible production lines, over 20 advanced equipment, over 150 experienced workers. Every worker should be strictly trained before going on duty. Some workers have more than 20 years experience in heat pump industry. Standard production system to ensure daily output around 500 sets to devote themselves to meeting requirements of every client's order and developing new heat pump products. You could receive exceptional services from a qualified sales team with support from knowledgeable technicians. A seamless after-sales service will be offered, as well as a well-developed logistical infrastructure. Zeekr has a global supply chain, and Zeekr has factories with high production efficiency. CNC punching machine, panel cutting machine, plate folding machine are adopted to make the components' production efficiency higher. The copper pipe is processed by digital pipe cutter and bender robot. To guarantee the product quality, Zeekr has a strict QC system, including IQC, UPA, FOC, OK. Every step is implemented according to the detailed requirements. Quality is the most important for customers, with 2 comprehensive laboratories that meet the EU 45111 standard, can simulate ambient temperatures ranging from 13 centigrade to 50 centigrade to test heat pumps. Operating performance with input power ranging from 0.8 kW to 80 kW and reach a frequency 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Every heat pump will be tested in running test line for around 30 minutes. The test equipment records all the data to make sure every detail is correct before arranging delivery. So do our technical team will offer installation and maintenance instructions as well as component replacement. Zeekr will keep leading heat pump industry and endeavor to devote into the energy revolution.